Roadway departure crashes, resulting from a vehicle crossing an edge or center line, accounted for over 45% of all fatal crashes in Texas from 2010 to 2016. The Texas A&M Transportation Institute and the Texas Department of Transportation evaluated ways to improve roadway safety devices to help make travel safer for the ever-changing types of vehicles and conditions experienced by drivers.
So roadside safety is really an aspect that many motorists or general citizens don't really think about too much. So we're trying to design those guardrails and those bridge rails and those devices on the side of the road so that they're there if you happen to need them. So if a motorist, for whatever reason, leaves the roadway, we're going to hopefully help prevent a serious injury crash from occurring by shielding them from those obstacles on the roadside.
A couple of things that were tested under this project were luminaire poles. We tested luminaire poles. They hadn't been tested to the current crash testing standards yet, so we took the initiative and tested those. Some of the news was good. We got some passing and some failing, but we got good information, and we know that we can move forward from here.
This project was a little bit unusual in that it was kind of a task order driven project. So it was the TxDOT Bridge Design, Maintenance, and Traffic Safety Divisions that helped identify the high priority needs in the roadside safety area that we addressed under this project. So there were a variety of different aspects that were studied.
We did find a safe taper rate for the concrete barriers. We found a way to taper the barrier a rate which was safe, and that we wouldn't endanger the traveling public, and we won't endanger the workers. So we can keep the workers safe, and we don't increase risk for the traveling public either.
The research process largely involved engineering analysis, finite element computer modeling and simulation, and full-scale crash testing. And the full-scale crash testing was conducted at the TTI Proving Grounds on the Texas A&M University System Rellis campus.
I think there were several things that were tested that will be implemented soon, probably within the next year. We'll have standard sheets for some, we'll have policies implemented for others, and we'll have further research for others. The luminaire light poles will have further research that we will probably implement within the next year. And the concrete barrier tapering, we will probably issue a standard, or we might issue policy changes through the roadway design manual.
The key benefit of this project is trying to reduce those serious injuries and fatalities that are resulting from those roadway departure crashes. And so through the implementation of these devices, we hope to have a positive influence on that, towards that road to zero fatalities. Some of the devices that we develop, though, also help reduce cost or improve operations. So there's different aspects depending on the particular device being studied. TxDOT continues to be a leader in roadside safety. They're very proactive in that area. It was a pleasure being able to collaborate with them and the different divisions on this project and addressing those high priority roadside safety needs.
TxDOT has been able to prioritize those things that we have identified, and we've been able to test those things. Hopefully these things will be of use to many departments of transportation across the nation. We're the first to test many of these things that have been tested on this project, and historically, once we release the research, they will be used by many different transportation agencies.
For more information and to find the publication for this project, please visit the TxDOT Research Library at the link shown below.